Okay, here's the final one of the night. You can barely see that car. Now you can really get a sense of how strong these are. It's absolutely insane.
There you are.
Nobody can see. These kids sledding down the hill. This is what happens when they cancel class. Want to say hi? This is what it means to be from Wisconsin right here. They cancel school, everybody goes out to play. Getting slizzard in the blizzard. Holy shit.
Woo! This is insane.
This is insane, right? These guys out here with their lunch trays. He's got the zombie bandana.
Oh yeah.
Who is that?
I don't think we know him.
Yeah, you don't know me. It's okay.
Okay.
I'm just videotaping the storm, you know, because I'm a weather nerd. Pressing in ice. Jesus. It's amazing. Can't really do it with my mittens. Oh, he brought the bomb. There's a storm right here. No gloves? Oh, you gotta be crazy. Look at this kid. You're gonna get frostbite pretty soon, man. Gonna have frostbite in the morning. Okay.